Hello YouTube. So I am starting a new skincare routine and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I will be making a DIY 2-ingredient facial cleanser. Y'all ready for this? All right, here it goes. So for this cleanser, all I will be using is African black soap. This is authentic African black soap that is unscented for all skin types, handcrafted, fair trade. And it has only 2 ingredients, which is shea butter and palm kernel oil. And then I will be using tea tree oil and some hot water. So stay tuned to see exactly how I make it. So this is the black soap. I just cut off a little small piece, so this is all I will be using today for the soap. I'm going to put that away, and I'm going to cut this piece up into very small, like little shavings. So I'll be back when that's done. Okay, so these are the little shavings. I'm going to put them into a mason jar, and then I'm going to pour this boiling water over the shavings so that they can dissolve. And the reason why you want to cut them up into small pieces is because it makes it easier for them to dissolve when you pour the water over them, and it won't take as long for it to become liquid. So watch me do that and I'll be back. Okay, so the black soap is in the mason jar. I'm going to just pour the water over it. And I don't want that much water. Just enough to like cover the soap. And then I'm just gonna let that sit for maybe 20 to 30 minutes, so we'll check back in on the progress of it dissolving. And so while it's sitting, I'm gonna add just a little bit of tea tree oil. And you know, tea tree oil is pretty strong, so not that much. And so I'll give that a little swirl and just let it sit. That's what it's looking like. Okay, so this has actually been sitting for about an hour now, and this is what it's looking like. So you can see how like it's much darker because all of the black soap has dissolved. And it has like a little bit of suds on the top because it's obviously soap. So I'm going to transfer this to this little disposable thing I got from Walgreens. I couldn't find anything bigger than this, so this is like one of the little travel size ones, but we'll see how much fits. Spot on. I still have like half left, so I'm gonna find something else to put this in. So this is the first bottle, and I found this random spray bottle, so I put some in there. And this is like more than halfway full, so that's how much it'll make if you use the measurements that I just used, which I just pretty much just eyeballed. And so we'll see how long this lasts me. If we can get this video to 50 likes, I will drop my skincare routine. I know you guys will love it. It's all natural, super simple, and yeah, it'll be great. So like, share, subscribe, comment. 50 likes and I'll drop that skincare routine. And I started a blog, and I will be dropping a how to make this cleanser on my blog as well, so you guys should check out my blog. It's naturallynefertiti.com. I have a couple of articles, blog posts up already, and subscribe to that as well. See you guys later.